One of the most common problems we all face with fiddle leaf fig is that we see tiny red or brown spots on the leaves. It's often because you're watering it too much or not consistently. Too much water makes it hard for the roots to soak it up. This leads to a problem called edema, where the cells in the leaves burst, causing those brown spots. Edema, sometimes spelled oedema, is often a sign of moisture stress, usually caused by inconsistent watering. The ficus, like the fiddle leaf fig, is particularly susceptible to edema. Plants absorb water through their roots from the soil. However, sometimes the roots take in more water than the plant can use. When this happens, there is an excess of water within the plant. Now, the plant has a system of getting rid of this excess water. It releases it through tiny pores on the surface of its leaves in a process called transpiration. But if there is too much water for the leaves to handle, it creates pressure inside the leaf cells. This pressure keeps increasing until it becomes too much for the cells to bear. Eventually, the cells can't hold up against the pressure and burst. When they burst, they leave behind visible signs on the leaves, appearing as blisters or small bruises. These blisters or bruises are actually dead cells caused by bursting. They are typically quite small, ranging from 1 to 3 millimeters in size. The condition can occur when a plant is overwatered or when the humidity levels are excessively high, leading to more water being absorbed by the roots than the leaves can manage. To fix this, maintain a consistently moist soil by watering approximately once a week in appropriate light conditions, but always check the soil's dryness before watering again. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch, and watch out for the signs of overwatering, such as brown or yellow leaves or spots, and ensure the container has proper drainage. And you should check closely, they might be spider mites too. These pests prefer younger leaves. You can get rid of them by spraying water underneath the leaves. When you care for fiddle leaf fig plant, keep these things in mind. Let the soil dry out between waterings to prevent overwatering. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to avoid waterlogging. Maintain moderate humidity. Too much can stress the plant. Ensure good airflow to prevent stagnant conditions. Place in bright, indirect light for healthy growth. Bacterial infection spreads quickly and cause a lot of damage, while root rot takes longer but can still kill your plant if you ignore it. Check your plant's roots carefully if you think something is wrong, and think about whether you have been watering it too much or if it's been really wet. Also, when the sap of fiddle leaf fig oxidizes, it turns rusty brown, which can create reddish brown spots if there is even minor cell damage. Generally, this isn't a big issue unless it's caused by pests like spider mites or if you're watering the plant without giving it enough light. As for lighter brown spots on older leaves, those are pretty normal and bound to happen. Flushing the soil can help reduce them, but it's nothing to worry about if your plant looks healthy overall. Hope you like this information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.